Hello everyone. Today we are going to take our homework. It is the last task of our unit. This unit was about health. So you learned vocabulary about health and past tense. I mean, simple past tense of regular and irregular verbs and the past tense of verb to be. The first activity you had to complete the sentence using the verbs in the box in past tense. So let's start. You have to read it like this. It all started again this Monday. I felt really sick once again. My throat was very swollen. I had a fever and I just was coughing. I felt the symptoms developing throughout the week. When I woke up this morning, I had the worst coughing fits. It even got to the point where my nose kept running and my left eye was very red. I'm quite tired of coughing and having a sore throat. What should I do? Okay, guys, that was the first activity. Then you had to recognize what happened to them. In the first picture, for example, she had a toothache. Then she had a runny nose. And the third picture, he had a cough. And then she had a fever. The girl had a headache. And finally, the woman had a sore throat. That's all. Let's continue. Here we have to complete and match these sentences. We have to match the injuries with a possible cause. So first of all, I cut my finger. What happened? Using my knife and now it's bleeding. Number two, I have a concussion. Playing soccer, I was confused and I didn't know where I was. Terrible. Let us see. I said numbers before, but letters. Let us see. I twisted my ankle. What happened? Or how? Running for the bus. I can't walk now. Terrible. D. I burned my hand. Taking something out of the oven. And then I broke my arm. I fell off my bike. I can't hold heavy objects. And finally, letter F. I have a bruise on my arm because, of course, I hit it on the side of my desk. And that's all. Then there was a conversation that we had to put in order. So let's see this conversation. First of all, of course, it starts with a greeting. So, hello, Andres. Are you okay? I saw your car in an accident this morning. So it is a greeting, of course, and yeah, the answer is then. I'm okay, don't worry, but you are right. I was involved in a car accident. Were you hurt? No, fortunately. I am just a little sore. What happened? So then the person has to answer that question. Apparently, the other car's driver was under the influence of alcohol, so he hit my car, and after that, he hit a tree. Okay, terrible. Then, is he okay? Is the answer? It's a question, and the answer is, of course, not really. He was found unconscious. A female doctor who was passing by and called an ambulance that took him to the nearest hospital. How is he now? He's still unconscious. Oh, not good news. Did the police come? Yeah, I called them right after it happened. Do you need me to drive you home? No, thank you. I didn't go to work after the accident. My boss gave me the day off. Okay, that was a conversation, that was a court order. So, thank you very much.